In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first sales funnel in Systeme.io step by step. A sales funnel is one of the most powerful tools for selling digital products, physical products, online courses, or services because it guides your visitors from becoming interested in your offer all the way to completing a purchase. Although it might look a little overwhelming at first, you'll quickly see that the process is much simpler once you understand the different parts of a funnel. In this first part, we'll create the funnel itself and completely set up the order form. Then, we'll continue with the remaining steps in the following tutorials. To get started, log in to your Systeme.io account. Once you're on the dashboard, hover over Sites in the top navigation menu and click Sales Funnels. This is where you'll create and manage all of the funnels for your business. If this is your first funnel, your list will most likely be empty, which is completely normal. Next, click the Create button in the top right corner of the page. Before creating your funnel, make sure the domain shown is the one you want to use. If you're using the free Systeme.io subdomain, that's perfectly fine. And you can always change it later from the custom domain settings. We already have a separate tutorial that shows you exactly how to change your default subdomain or connect a custom domain. Now enter a name for your funnel and choose Sell as your funnel goal. Then select the currency you want to use before clicking Save. Your funnel will now be created and you'll be taken to the funnel editor where you'll see all of the pages that make up your sales funnel. I know this page can look a little intimidating the first time you open it, but don't worry because you really only need to focus on three main parts. These are the order form, the thank you page, and the automation that runs after someone completes a purchase. Once those three pieces are configured, you'll have a fully functional sales funnel ready to sell your products. Let's start with the order form. Before editing the page, I recommend selecting one of the available templates so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Simply browse through the template library and choose one that matches the style you're looking for. We'll also select a template for the thank you page later, but for now we'll focus only on the order form. After choosing your template, open the order form editor. Start by filling in the basic information at the top, then remove any unnecessary sections or elements you don't plan on using. Keeping your checkout page simple usually creates a better experience for your customers. You can always add more sections later as your funnel becomes more advanced. Next, you'll need to choose your offer type. Depending on what you're selling, you can choose either a physical product or a digital product. For this tutorial, we'll select digital product since that's what most beginners will be using. Once you've selected the correct offer type, you're ready to create the product that customers will purchase. Click the plus to add a new product. Inside the resources section, select the type of product you're selling and complete the required information. Then move to the payment plan section where you'll decide how customers will pay. For this example, we'll simply choose a one-time payment, create a pricing plan if you don't already have one, and then click Save. If you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to help us reach more people who are trying to learn this software and need to see tutorials like this one. In return, we've put together a completely free package just for you guys. Inside, you'll get ready-made Systeme templates to get you started with everything, from leads up until your very first sale. To get access, just check out the link in the pinned comments down below. And that's it! You've successfully created your first sales funnel and completely configured the order form. In the next video, We'll move on to the thank you page, where you'll customize what customers see immediately after completing their purchase. After that, we'll finish everything by setting up the automation that automatically delivers your product to your customers.